this is a device that one has to look for. NUWAVE air purifier. Very gorgeous. Very gorgeous. And as a matter of fact, you can feel the freshness of the air coming out. Very fresh. And now this simply tells you, okay, this tells you the quality of air you're having at the moment. It's don't worry about my barefoot, but this is gorgeous. Okay, this is gorgeous. Now at the back you have the filters right here, and it's on at the moment, so I'm enjoying the fresh air as I speak, so I wouldn't want to open it. And it's right at the back here. Okay, that's the arm you hold to pull it out. So again, we're talking about the NUWAVE air purifier.
This I just forgot the name of it. This has made a big difference in our air in our house, this NUWAVE air filter. We have dogs and our home is older, and there's our dog. But my allergies are so much better. I sleep so much better at night. Here is the fan speeds. Takes a little bit for it to get up. And it's very quiet. That's the highest. Look at turbo. And it's not that loud. We usually keep it on ultimate clean, and it senses the odor and how good the air is. But anyway, you should buy it if you've got allergies. I wouldn't hesitate at all spending the money on it again. It's a great piece of machinery for us.